Hi everybody! For our second part of the lesson today, I would like to make some rain clouds with you. I'm going to hold the paper like this, so you can see. Okay, and then we can do it together. So, got a grey for our cloud. I'd like you to do a big cloud at the top of your paper. Okay. There we go. Then what we're going to do is I would like to practice making some raindrops. We're going to be doing little circles, okay, to create the rain. Like this we can practice making circles. Okay. So little ones all over. Okay. You see? Easy, easy. Then when you finished, if you like, you can colour it. Okay. Super, super, super easy. Okay. Then afterwards, what we're going to do is draw 4 little clouds. Okay. So once again, get your grey. So we do 1, 2, 3, leave a little space, 3, and 4. Okay, can you see? Then with your blue, I would like you to practice drawing some little lines, okay, like this. 1, 2, 3, okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then the next one we're going to do in a different direction. So this is down. This one we're going to do across this way. Okay, if it's a bit tricky, get your mummy or daddy to help you. And we're going to do 3 again. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. It looks like a rain cloud when there's some wind. Look. So the wind is pushing the rain this way. Or the wind could be blowing down and blowing the rain down. Now, on this one, we've got the wind blowing this way. So the rain will be going this way. Okay, so once again, 3. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now the rain on our last cloud is going to be blowing down again. Okay, so rain will be going down. So 3, remember, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Well done. Now, once you finish this, what you can do, if you have another colour, or if you have, for example, a dark blue, you could fill in the lines. Okay, so go all the way down, follow the lines. So this one's going down, this one's going across. So across. Okay, remember, go slowly, okay, it's not a race. This one, oh, it's going this way. Okay, and the last one, down. There we go. Simple. Okay, enjoy. Bye.